Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Doc Bobby Jacobs. And today is my 7th week of straight hair wave journey. And I would like to show you guys my current progress and also show you how I wash my straight hair waves without actually ruining your wave progress. And yeah, so let's unrag my durag first and show you guys my current progress. Okay, so this is my 7th week wave progress, and after this I'm gonna show you how I wash my hair without actually ruining the waves, wave progress. So without further ado, shall we start? Buzz! YouTube, so it's been almost like 24 hours since the hair wash, and like I let it air dry over the night, and let me see how it looks. Let's unrug it. All right. Wavy. Alright YouTube, it came out pretty wavy, not gonna lie, good for 7 weeks. I feel, yeah, I feel so it's good, it's coming out. I feel like, yeah, if I like give myself like, what, like 2 or 3 more weeks, bruh, I know it's gonna look good. But I think this is pretty good for 7th week, and this is my current progress on straight aging hair waves, and the more videos coming out. And if you like my video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And if you really like my video, and give it a thumbs up. And also share with your friends. Share with your friends who wants to get waves or something like that. You know, and tell others. And yeah, I hope to see you very soon. Stay tuned. Boss.